Okay, so here's my storefront, okay, and I got the Viral Vue here, so you can see it. And here's the optimizer, okay. We can get that for a second. So we can hit the optimizer. It's going to tell you here red X's. Okay, red X's are no ASIN tag. That's pickable set, electric water gun, tamping station. And the yellow means you have too many ASINs tagged. So you're only supposed to tag up to 3 ASINs. This one is 4. That's an easy fix. We just go into edit, right? And we can just take one of these out. We'll take out this one. Take out that, and we can save. And that's going to fix that one, right? That should reset when I reset it later. The next one is, let's say this pickleball set. I can come over here, right? It's an 8-piece set, so we could go here. As you see, they've got 2 variations, Starlight and Vibrant, right? So when Viral Vue loads, we go up to here. Now the ASIN's right here, but if you go up to this right here, click that, scroll down. This is all your things that you have, and the parent ASIN. Okay, this is the game changer. Save that, right? It's going to give you the parent ASIN. Copy the parent ASIN. Right? Go back and go to edit. Pickleball set. No, nothing is tagged. Go back to edit. Okay. Now Viral Vue has this here, tag ASINs. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste. You're going to put those 2 ASINs in there, tag them. They're there, right? And you save it. So now that's been posted, and you've got, now it's got the parent ASIN on there, so you don't have to worry about that one. Okay, now that's crazy. Now over here, the Canada and UK, you just click this to sort it by there, right? And there's your Canada, UK. So what you do is, now the solar fairy lights or best ice maker. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the video, right? Download the video. Then you click on, try to go to UK, solar fairy lights. You're going to click. You click that download button, then you click the UK button. Brings you over here to your UK storefront, right? You got to upload with the proper ASIN. So solar fairy lights. It's already got that tag. It's already tagged. Okay, waiting on data upload. Successfully tagged the ASIN. Right? Title, ASIN, save, submit, and it is submitted to my UK storefront. Okay, that's what you do, and you can do it to UK, all your Canadas are going to give you everything. I've got 1,700 videos here that I can take care of and update and create new commissions from dead videos. You know, that I always wanted to know how many videos I had that didn't have ASINs to them, and there was no tool that would help me out there. But now Viral Vue has the Storefront Optimizer, and you really can't beat it. There'll be a link for Viral Vue down there. I think you can save 10% with my code. Check it out. I think it's SHS, Side Hustle Shuffle, HSH 10, I think it is. But check it out. It'll be down there in the link in the comments. So check that out, and don't sleep on it. Think about all the commissions that you're missing by not having the right ASINs tagged. Right? Check it out. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. This was a great thing.